blocks of good manners begin with the magic words, right? Yes, they are very necessary when it comes to our daily communication with people. Okay? Good. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the Igbo forms of these magic words. They are 4. Okay? Thank you, please, sorry, and excuse me. Okay? Before we delve into what we have for today, my name is Ngozika. That's typical from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, I promise you track load of fun. You are highly welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are yet to hit the subscribe button, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead before we start, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button as well and turn on the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. Let's start with sorry. Sorry translates Ndo in Igbo language, okay? Ndo in Igbo language. In Igbo society, Ndo is usually used to console someone when something bad happens to them, okay? For instance, someone may say Ndo to you when you trip over, okay? Ndo can be used for consoling someone and sometimes used to apologize. So we have sorry, Ndo, sorry, okay? Now the next on our list is please. Please translates Biko in Igbo language. Biko, please, Biko, okay? Biko, nyelumaka, please help me, okay? Biko, nyelumaka, please help me, okay? Biko, fichelum akbuku, please clean my shoes. Biko, fichelum akbuku. Biko can also be used as an equivalent of excuse me, okay? Good. For instance, Biko kamjugodigi. Excuse me, may I ask you? Excuse me, may I ask? Biko kamjugodigi, okay? Good. Now the next on our list is thank you. This is the most polite and the most similar to the English thank you, okay? It's all about gratitude. Yes. Thank you. Dalu, thank you. Thank you. Dalu, thank you. Thank you very much. Dalu rinne. Thank you very much. Dalu rinne. Thank you. Dalu. But thank you very much. Dalu rinne. Okay? This is the most polite and the most similar to the English thank you. Okay? Still under gratitude, imeela or imeke can also be used, okay? Imeela or imeke translates literally, you've done well, you have done it, you've done well, okay? For instance, when someone brings you a meal, this is the term to use, imeela or imeke, okay? Still under gratitude. So in this context, dalu, imeke or imeela serves the same purpose, okay? The purpose of gratitude. Now the next one is jishike. Jishike literally translates use of strength. Jishike literally translates use of strength, okay? This term is used to show support to someone's hard work, okay? For instance, if you see a cook working so hard in the kitchen, you can easily say jishike. In other words, more grease to your elbow, okay? This is usually used with a honorific, okay? A show of respect. Or if not, use the agenda, okay? Woke is for the male and wanya is for the female, okay? So you can easily say wanye jishike, woke jishike, okay? Wanye jishike or woke jishike, okay? And you will get a response like oh, which is an expression of acknowledgement from the person, okay? Good. Using these magic words help build a good relationship with people. So don't forget, ndo, sorry, excuse me, biko, or please, jishike, more grease to your elbow, okay? Thank you, dalu, or imeela, or imeke, okay? Ejim n'aka na nkuzi nke taa nwere ulu ọ bara gị. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Okay? Bye.